get to what's called a morula. And at the morula, this is what will hatch out of the zona pellucida, and then it becomes a blastocyst. Now, inside of this inner cell mass was developing. These are the trophoblast cells. This is the blastocele. And then this will start to differentiate into this structure where we have the inner cell mass. And let me say, this is the endoderm, and then the orange is the, this is the ectoderm, and the orange is the endoderm. This is still the trophoblast cells with the blastocyst. Then we come over here, we've morphed some more. We now have the ectoderm, the endoderm, which is the orange, and this is the amniotic cavity. This is the blastocele. These are the trophoblast cells, and this single layer of cells here, what are called cytotrophoblast, and the rest of this is what we call syncytiotrophoblast, and the purple's representing the lacunae, because the syncytiotrophoblast are eroding into the endometrium, the stratum functionalis, and then they're creating little pools of blood so nutrients can diffuse from mom's blood to baby cells. Now when we come over to this one, the next thing that happens is here's going to be our ectoderm, here's our endoderm, and a third layer will start to develop here called the mesoderm. So the mesoderm migrates out and comes and fills the whole outside of this structure here. And then the other thing too is this is the allantois starts to form, which is the beginning of the umbilical cord. This now is the amniotic cavity, and this now is going to be the yolk sac. So these mesoderm will invaginate up into the chorionic villi and create the blood vessels, the baby's contribution to placenta. Then we come over here, again, allantois and the umbilicals forming. Here's the yolk sac, and then here's an advanced stage of this, where here would be, the placenta will end up being just a disc once it grows, and then the whole rest of the uterine cavity, you're going to want to look up decidua capsularis and decidua basalis in order to see the distinction of what happens, where's mom's contribution to this placenta, and then the rest of this cavity in the membranes, the decidua capsularis. And this is amniotic cavity. Okay?